Let's talk about one of the biggest gray areas in rental property management. Who handles what when it comes to maintenance? You'd be surprised how many disagreements come from unclear expectations. A faucet leaks, an outlet stops working, or the lawn starts to overgrow, and suddenly everybody's pointing fingers. Today, we're breaking it down. What's your job as a landlord, and what should the tenants be doing, and how you can avoid the back and forth altogether? Here's a simple way to think about it. Landlords are responsible for anything that affects the structure, the safety, and the long-term livability of the home, like plumbing and electrical systems, roof and foundation issues, major appliances that came with the property, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. Tenants, on the other hand, are usually expected to handle day-to-day upkeep, replacing light bulbs and smoke detector batteries, taking out the trash, keeping things reasonably clean, and reporting issues before they get worse. In short, you handle the big stuff, they handle the basic care. Quick reminder, if you like helpful breakdowns like this and want to stay updated on rental laws, pro tips, and regulation changes, be sure to follow our YouTube channel so you never miss a beat. Okay, if you want to stay ahead of problems, seasonal checkups are your best friend. Spring, clean your gutters, inspect your roof, test detectors. Summer, service your AC, check for pests, inspect exterior. Fall, service furnace, clean chimney, check for drafts. Winter, insulate the pipes, watch for ice buildup, confirm emergency contacts. Proactive upkeep equals fewer surprises, and your tenants will notice. If you're working with a property manager, here's the good news. A great manager handles a big chunk of this for you. They will coordinate maintenance requests, scheduled licensed vendors, follow up to confirm completion, keep detailed records so nothing falls through the cracks. You're not just paying for repairs, you're investing in oversight, accountability, and peace of mind. And it all comes back to one thing: the lease. The best time to set expectations is before anything breaks. So be sure to clearly outline who replaces filters, how soon tenants should report issues, what counts as tenant damage, and who to call for after-hours emergencies. The clearer the lease, the fewer 2 a.m. calls about a clogged sink. And at the end of the day, clear maintenance boundaries protect everyone. Your tenants know what to expect, you know what you're responsible for, and everything runs a whole lot smoother. Have questions or need help setting this up? Or are you just ready to hand it off altogether? We're here when you need us. And remember, if you found this helpful, follow our YouTube channel for more tips, updates, and landlord insights straight from the experts.